Your life, after treating a wounded criminal, stopped feeling normal very quickly. At first, you thought he was just another customer. Then you saw the blood, a lot of it. And the way he looked at you told you one thing immediately: he couldn't go to a hospital. Level 1, closing time. It happened right before closing. The pet shop was empty. You were locking the front door when someone slammed against the glass outside. A man stumbled into the store holding his side. Blood soaked through his hoodie. Your first instinct was to call the police, but before you could reach your phone, he pulled out a gun, not pointing at you, just holding it like a warning. Then he said something strange. "I just need help." No hospitals. Level 2, the back room. You should have told him to leave. You know that now. But something about him looked desperate, weak, scared. You brought him into the back room anyway. The wound looked fresh. Bullet wound. You felt your stomach tighten. You weren't a doctor. You treated injured animals, not this. But he kept repeating the same thing. No hospitals. So you cleaned the wound, wrapped it, stopped the bleeding the best you could. The entire time, he never took his eyes off you. Level 3, the money. Before leaving, he placed a thick stack of cash on your counter. More money than you made in months. You told him you didn't want it. He left it anyway. Then right before walking out, he looked back at you and said, "You never saw me." Then he disappeared into the night. Level 4, the return. 3 nights later, he came back. This time with another man, another gunshot wound. That's when you realized something terrible. He told someone about you. Word was spreading. You tried refusing, but the second man opened his jacket slightly. Gun, not threatening you, just reminding you what kind of people they were. You treated him too, and again, they paid in cash. A lot of cash. Level 5, the underworld. Weeks passed, then months. More people started coming. Knife wounds, broken ribs, burns, some barely conscious, always late at night, always cash, always no hospitals. Your pet shop slowly became something else, a hidden clinic for criminals. And somehow, you got trapped in the middle of it. Level 6, the detective. Then one afternoon, a detective walked into your shop. Your chest tightened immediately. He acted casual, asked questions about the neighborhood, crime, strange activity. Then his eyes drifted toward the back room. You tried acting normal, but before leaving, he handed you a card, then quietly said, "If somebody's forcing you into something, call me." That sentence stayed in your head all night. Level 7, the mistake. One night, a young guy came in bleeding badly, too badly. You tried stopping it, but he died on your floor. Silence filled the room. The other criminals stared at you. Then one of them asked, "Did he say anything before he died?" Your heartbeat slowed because suddenly, they weren't looking at you like a helper anymore. They were looking at you like a risk. Level 8, the camera. The next morning, you noticed a black SUV parked across the street, same spot. Engine running. Then you looked up. A new security camera had appeared on the building across from your shop, pointed directly at your front door. Now both sides were watching, the police and the criminals. Your life after treating a wounded criminal became a life you could never leave, because once the underworld trusts you, it never lets you go.